Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Open Wallet now and locate the card you want to remove. Once visible, make sure you're on the same Apple ID and that the device has a stable connection. This prevents sync delays. Tap the card briefly to view details. You're preparing to remove it, so check for pending refunds or holds because those can block removal. If the card belongs to a corporate account, you may need admin clearance, so confirm permissions before proceeding. Now perform the removal step by step. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the specific card and choose Remove Card, then Confirm. Alternatively, on the Apple Watch, press and hold the card in Wallet, swipe up and tap Remove. Either method works because they sync. Once removed, the device will inform you. Make sure to wait for the confirmation message. If removal stalls, retry after a moment or restart the watch to reattempt. Complete the process by verifying that the card no longer appears in Wallet on both devices. This confirms sync success. If the card still shows, contact the card issuer to clear holds or pending transactions, because financial blocks often prevent deletion. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the latest iOS/Watch OS, and then restart both devices. Once rebooted, try removal again. One troubleshooting tip: unpairing and repairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.